Hi there, I'm Margie, part of the Microsoft Teams team. At times, it can feel hard to focus when interrupted by notifications in Teams. I'll show you two ways to start filtering out the noise to create spaces to focus in Teams by using updating your status and customizing your notifications. If you are working on a presentation and don't want to be interrupted for an hour or two, simply change your status to Do Not Disturb or Offline. You can use a shortcut in the search bar by typing /DND or /offline and hitting enter to change your status. You can also click your profile image and select from the options in the drop-down under your name. Choosing duration lets you set it up to automatically revert to another status after a set amount of time. If you have used the search bar shortcut, when you want to get notifications again, type in /available. Now, the second way to minimize distractions is to customize your notification settings. Click on the Activities icon and open the Settings wheel. From here, you'll be able to update your notifications to match your preferences. For example, if you know you'll need to focus all day, but want to know what you missed, choose to receive a daily missed notification email, or even shut it off if you don't want another email. Clicking Custom allows you to set up notifications for all teams and channels at once. If you don't want to be notified for every like and reaction, turn it off. And if you don't want to be notified for every post in a channel that you have pinned, you can turn it off as well. Once you have everything set, close the window. There are so many other ways you can customize your notifications. Be sure to check them all out. You can update your settings to find what works best for you. For more Teams tips, how-tos, and inspiration for all you can do in Teams, subscribe today.